Leonard Skinner will avenge my death.
Where are you, my little burger du fromage? Your French fried tomato is missing you.
Well, gotta go find my sister. Hey, what do you call a deer after I shoot its eyes out? No idea. Get it?
Well, blow me down.
Ooh, 2 king-size claps gonna get.
Let's get the out of here, man! My bunghole, it goes rakakaka, rakakaka, and then sometimes my bunghole goes
Nice breeze out today.
Will you be my...
Oh my God! A bad credit card, you bastards! I'll kill you!
Oh la la! Hold me! Oh, at last I have found you, mon raison for puberty. Coffee, tea, au moi.
Get on with it. Yes, get on with it!
I want to sing a little song that kept me going when I had troubles. We were at the beach. Everybody had matching towels. Somebody went under a dock, and there they saw a rock. But it wasn't a rock. It was a rock lobster! Rock lobster! Rock lobster! Yeah, you're gonna be okay.
It goes.
Holy shit, that kid has bubbles! Fucking bubbles!
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Sorry, arrête, mon petit quiche.
Federal prisons are no place for the mighty warrior.
Love helps, no?
Why, you little son of a...
No, wait! I didn't mean to... I don't think that's supposed to become unattached.
You're just saying that! Fuck, little dick shit! What did you say about my mama?
No, wait! It didn't say anything like that! No, wait, please!
Chicken blowing little stick!
No, not the grenade! Yes, the grenade!
Yes, the grenade!
Long live General Lee!
Somebody having a hoedown around here?
Oh, oh, get all the hell that hurts like a mother.